Hello friends, welcome to Delhi Law Firm. If you live in India and want to do a love marriage, today we'll explain how you can do it easily, legally and in a completely safe way. In India there are mainly three ways to perform a love marriage. The first is only performing the marriage ceremony, the second is marriage with court registration, and the third is direct court marriage without any ceremony. The first method means you only perform the rituals just like in an arranged marriage, where there is no court registration. If you are a Hindu, you can get married at an Arya Samaj Mandir. If you are a Muslim, your marriage can be solemnized through nikah. If you are a Christian, the marriage can take place in a church. After the ceremony, you receive a marriage certificate. This marriage is valid, but if you do not get it registered in court, there may be legal issues in the future. The second way is to perform the marriage and then get it registered in court. Once your marriage is registered in court, it becomes part of official government records. From that point onwards, neither party can back out of the relationship, and if you ever wish to separate, it can only be done through a legal divorce. In many states of India, this marriage registration process is very fast and sometimes completed within a single day. The third method is to go for direct court marriage without any ceremony. In this process, religion, caste or rituals do not matter. It is conducted under Special Marriage Act 1954. You have to apply at your district SDM office or the marriage officer's office. After about 30 days, you will get a date for registration. On that day, you must appear with your witnesses and the required documents, and your marriage will be registered in court. This is the best option for couples belonging to different religions or communities, or for those who wish to marry legally without any religious rituals. Which method is best for you depends on your situation. If you want a simple and quick marriage, then only performing the ceremony is enough. If you want complete legal security, then perform the marriage and get it registered as well. And if there is opposition from family or society, Arya Samaj marriage with court registration is the safest choice. The cost also varies. Only the ceremony costs less, marriage with registration costs a little more, and direct court marriage is usually completed within 1 or 2 days. If you are on a low budget, go for only the ceremony. If there is opposition or legal risk, go for both marriage and registration. And if you are short on time, Arya Samaj nikah or church marriage can even be done within 2 hours. Wherever you live in India, if you want to get married, contact Delhi Law Firm. Our helpline numbers are 9906499999 and 9998899091, both available on WhatsApp. You can also visit the website courtmarriage.in. Your marriage, our legal guarantee. Thank you for watching this video and spending your time with us.